Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The Qur'anic word of the day, Mehjura, often translated as abandoned or forsaken. It's a word that I've used before in a different video, but I think it's important that we go through it again because this is the month of the Holy Qur'an. On the day of Qiyamah, our Holy Prophet will complain to Allah. وَقَالَ الرَّسُولُ, and he will say, يَا رَبِّي إِنَّ قَوْمِ اتَّخَذُوا هَذَا الْقُرْآنَ مَهْجُورًا. Oh my Lord, this community of mine has taken this Qur'an as a forsaken thing or abandoned it. But what does Mehjura really mean? In Arabic, when you want to say someone's going away or abroad, you can say it in two ways. Number one, they are doing safar, they're going away and then they'll come back later. Secondly, you can say that they're doing hijrah, which means that they're going so far away that they're not coming back. Like the Prophet did hijrah from Mecca to Medina. What the Prophet is saying is that some of his community, some of his ummah will go so far away from the Holy Qur'an that they won't come back. May Allah make us of those who are close with the Holy Qur'an, inshallah. Ibrahim alayhi salam's wife Hajra, her name is of no coincidence either. She left the city and went into the depths of the desert and stayed there near the Kaaba, and hence she was given the name Hajra, which comes from the same root as Hijrah. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.